Okay, Taylor, so the first one of these I did malfunctioned. I had done the entire 45-minute, this whole little thing for you, but it didn't save on the screencastify. So I'm going to do one piece at a time. I'm going to start with this. Actually, I'm going to start with, what do I want to do? Because I just did the other one. I'll start with this one. I'm going to use violet blue to start the puffball. And really what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay in the overall values using pressure to start with. Now, I'm not sure what you're looking at in terms of reference. I am looking at my phone right now, which looks different than when I was looking at it on the computer, which looks different than when I'm looking at my email. So if the color's not exact, it's okay. You just want to get general brightness and form correct. So notice how I'm building up pressure where it's darker. So right now I'm just using the intensity of the color to suggest light and dark areas. Okay, I'm going to let the edge be a little fuzzy. I'm not worried about that because we want it to look fuzzy. Now I'm going to mix in some mulberry. If you have a red violet or if you have a red that you want to use, that'll also work. Notice I gotta have dull points for these because I want them to feel fuzzy. So I'm not, I don't really have a tight sharpened pencil because I want to let some of the texture show through. I'm going to go back with that blue violet. Now this is really darker on this side, so I'm going to add some indigo blue. Now I'm working on it bigger. Actually, I don't know if I really like the indigo blue. I think that goes too blue, so I'm going to stick with the blue violet. And just going back and forth with the red violet to get more of that purpley tone in there. And then where it's lighter, I'm going to start to add in some white. I'm going to try to almost like zigzag it around so it's not like I don't just fill it in white. I'm kind of creating some different texture by popping around, pressing in some areas and not others. This one obviously has more red violet in it. These two have less. This one has some more just plain violet. Which I'm actually going to add now. So it's just a regular light violet. I'm not sure if you have this or not. If you don't have violet, anything that's kind of in the purpley realm, you can always just add white to it. Now I'm getting a whole lot of pigment on here. I still need to add some stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my eraser and I'm actually going to erase out some more areas. What's nice about colored pencil is that you can erase it. And sometimes that's what you have to do in order to get the value you want. So that's how I would figure out those. Actually, that one looks a little better than that one. I guess when you do it twice, it's easier the second time. So that's that.